What's up, everybody? So check it out. Blazer top. We got the seal kit. We're not gonna do today. We've got the seals for the diffs. We got them. We're just gonna put them on another day. But for today, this Jeep right here, the plow Jeep, we need to figure out why I have a weird noise coming from here. Now, I think it might just be the brakes and stuff. I don't know. It could be the bearings. I don't know. We gotta pull it into the garage here. We gotta jack it up, and we gotta just see what it's doing. It's making a funny noise, so we gotta check it out. All right, I jacked up the Jeep. I gave the tires a little wiggle waggle. Honestly, I'm not seeing anything that stands out. I'm not seeing anything that jumps out and says, hey, I'm your problem. Other than when I look in this camera lens and see myself. I'm the problem, usually. But the plow Jeep is really rusty. I don't know if the bearings are going out, but it's just this weird noise that I have been hearing when I've been like backing up and doing a few things here and there. So, anyways, I cannot figure out what it is. So we're gonna go maybe drive it around just a little bit. I'll take it around some of the dirt roads around here. And I don't know. We're just gonna go figure it out. And if we can't figure it out, then we're not gonna worry about it. And P.S. Dude, I'm over the beard. I'm over the beard. I was trying it for a little while. I'm gonna shave. I'm gonna go back to the goatee because, yeah. Anyways, so stay tuned. Next video, I'll be shaving. Just kidding. I'm not gonna film that. But, oh, look at those vehicles up there. 2 Fords and a Chevy. Wait. There's another Chevy. Oh, there's another one. So, anyways, all right, man. Like this plow Jeep, I don't know if I should keep filming. Let's film for just a second here. So, this plow Jeep, right? I actually started filming. There's a lot of good content on the channel from this plow Jeep. Like, way back in the day, 5-6 years ago, man, when I first started, I was filming a lot of stuff with this Jeep. Now, when I go out and plow, I just plow and I get plowing, and I don't really care to film because I've already got a lot of content out there. Oh man, it's time to change this oil, I believe. Change oil. Okay. Low tire. Okay. So, we're going to change the oil in this Jeep eventually, soon. And then we're going to also pump the tire up because it's low. I do have a nail or something in the tire that gets low, but we keep an eye on that in the wintertime. So, anyways, as far as this rear tire issue goes, I don't know what to tell you. I want to figure it out, but sometimes when like I put things in the garage and jack them up and try to figure some stuff out, it just doesn't work. Sometimes you need 2 people. Sometimes you need to go driving around a little bit. But I felt like it kind of, maybe that was a bump. Might have been a bump in the concrete. I don't know. It almost felt like it was binding. I don't know if it's binding. Getting bound up. It shouldn't be. I don't know. Maybe I'll check the. Maybe I should check the rear diff oil. I think we're okay. Oh man, we're on a pile of rocks here. But check out this Chevy. So we're gonna go pick up a new seat for it. I got a seat coming for this Chevy. For the Chevy, I got a seat. Also, we're gonna pick up a lowering kit for that Chevy. Also, hold on a second. Let's drive over here real quick. So, we got a new turbo coming for that truck, because you know, turbos. Also, what kind of tires should I get for this thing? My buddy's selling a pair of Nito 42-inch tires, but they're only $13.50 and I think I like these ones are $14.50. The ones I had on prior were $15.50. So I don't know if I want the $13.50. I think they're gonna be a little too skinny. I like this offset of rim, but I don't actually. He's. I've got some 20-inch rims that the tires will fit on, but I don't know if I want his. I don't know if I don't want to put those other tires back. These rims have a better offset, so they make the tires stick out a little bit more, which I like. I love the stance of the Suburban right now. Just for example, let's back up here and I'll show you kind of. I don't know if you can see it real well in the camera, but just the stance of the Suburban with the tires sticking out a little bit. It's just mean. The tires are pretty wide. I like it. I like them a little wider like that. So I think the 1450s are gonna be about as skinny as I go. But I need some 40s. Those ones are 38s and cracked. I bought them because they're on bead locks. So I got some bead locks. But anyways, we're going to end this video here because honestly, there's not a whole lot I'm gonna be doing in this video today, other than just post a video. I want to keep posting more videos, but I want to do things how I want to do them, and I want to do them, you know, better than. Not better, but I don't want to be forced to make a specific kind of video. You know what I mean? And I won't. I'm just gonna make whatever. So stay tuned. We might have some better videos. Look at that. There's another Jeep. Oh wait, that's mine too. That's my Jeep right there. There it is. Hi.
Can I park in here?
Yeah, go for it. I think I have about 12 vehicles right now. Anyways, so smile every day and go check out some of the shorts. Go check out the shorts I post and comment on them. I actually have more fun posting the shorts because I feel like I can get a little more creative over like a 30-second video than I can like a full-length video. So I'm still learning, but we're trying. But we're gonna try to bring you content. So stay tuned, follow along, subscribe, and go check out some Bucked Up and some links down below. Amazon. It all helps the channel. But peace out. Have a good day. And stay tuned because we are going to be working on the Chevys. That, I will tell you right now with the longer videos, we will be working on the Chevys.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays.